Hello students, let's do area of a trapezium and a polygon, chapter 21, exercise 21a. Page number 238, question 1, the multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. First one, two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Now let's mark that on the figure. So let's take this to be 12 centimeters and this to be 15 centimeters. Let's continue to read. If the height of the triangle corresponding to 12 centimeter side is 10 centimeters, that means this is the 12 centimeter side. The height of this corresponding to this side, that means from the opposite vertex. So this is the height and that is given as 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. Then what are we asked to find? The height of the triangle corresponding to the 15 centimeter side. So we know the height of this side, that is of the triangle corresponding to this side. Now we need to know the height corresponding to this side. So the first thing we need to do is find the area of the triangle. So this area of this triangle, we're going to use this as the base and this as the height, and let's find the triangle, area of the triangle. So the two sides of the triangle given us 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters given to us. The height of the triangle corresponding to the 12 centimeter side is also given to us as 10 centimeters. Now, area of the triangle, we are going to use the formula half base into height. So this is a formula. So in this case, we're going to take 12 centimeters to be the base. Let's take this. You can take any side as the base. Now we're going to use this as the base because we have the height given for this also. That's why we are taking this as the base. So half into 12 centimeters into the height, which is 10 centimeters. Now if we calculate this, we will get the area. So let's cancel what we can. So 2 6s are 12. Nothing more to cancel. So multiply. 6 into 10 is 60 and we have centimeter square. So we have found the area of the triangle. Now using this area, we can find the height of the triangle corresponding to this side. So let's remember to use this area. So let's do. Now we're going to find the height of the triangle corresponding to the 15 centimeters side. So this is the 15 centimeters side and this is the height that we have drawn starting from the opposite vertex. So this is the height that we are going to find. So what is given to us? Now base, we're going to consider this side to be the base and area, which is found out area to be 60 centimeters square. So now we're going to use the formula of area of the triangle equals half base into height, and this is the height that we are going to find. This is unknown, but we know the area, we know the base, we're going to find the height. So area is equal to 60 and this is half into base, that is base is 15 centimeters into height. Height we don't know, so we are leaving it as the word height. Now here we can multiply this. We can work out this multiplication. 1 by 2 into 15 is 15 by 2. So this is an equation. 60 equals 15 by 2 into the height. So now we're going to find the height. So height will be equal to 60. Now we are going to transpose this 15 by 2 to the other side. Because it is multiplication, it will turn into division. Divided by 15 by 2. So now let's find the height. Height is equal to 60 into 2 by 15. Now let's cancel. 15 into 4 is 60. So multiply 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So we have found the height. Height is equal to 8 centimeters. So this is our answer. Height is 8 centimeters. And that is option C. Question 2. The base of a right angle triangle is 8 centimeters. So we have a right angled triangle here. So this is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. And this is 8 centimeters, which is the base. And its hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. So this is the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? It is the side that is opposite the right angle. And it is the longest side of this triangle. So the hypotenuse is given. The base is given. We are asked to find the area of the triangle. So let's write what's given. So base of the triangle, let's take it as A, and that is 8 centimeters. Hypotenuse of the triangle, let's take it as C, that is 10 centimeters. Now let height be B. Now if we have to find this height, that is B, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. According to that, what does it say? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. The square of the base and the square of the height, if you add together, you will get the square of the hypotenuse. So let's use that formula to find the height. So according to the Pythagorean theorem, a square, that is this a square, plus b square is equal to c square. So let's substitute for this to find the value of b, which is the height. So a square is, again this is an equation. Now a square is 8, that is 8 square, plus b square, we don't know, so we are writing it as b square, is equal to c square, that is 10 square. C is the hypotenuse. Now let's simplify this and find the value of b square. So 8 square is 8 8s are 64, plus b square is 10 10s are 100. Now let's find b square by subtracting 64 from 100. Now why are we subtracting? Because we have transposed this to the other side. Now 100 minus 64 is b square. And how much is that? That is 36. So now to find the value of b, we have to find the square root of 36. So b is the square root of 36. And what is the square root of 36? What is the number that will multiply by itself to give you 36? The number is 6. So the square root of 36 is 6. So b is equal to 6 centimeters. So now we have found the height. So height we have found, let's write it here. The height is 6 centimeters. Now we can find what we are asked to find, which is the area of the triangle, because now we know the height is 6 centimeters. So let's continue. So here we have the triangle, we have the height, we have this as 6 centimeters, we can write it here. So now we have the base and we have the height. So let's write that base of the triangle is 8 centimeters, height is 6 centimeters. Now to find the area, we just have to apply the formula half base into height. So that is 1 by 2 into the base. Base is how much? 8 centimeters into the height, it is 6 centimeters, which is, here we can cancel this to 4. 4 6 are 24. So we have found the area. The area of the triangle is 24 centimeter square. So this is our answer, 24 centimeter square. And that is option D. Option D, 24 centimeters square is the final answer. Question 3. The area of a triangle with sides 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters is. So they want us to find the area and tell the area. So we've been given 3 sides, 4 centimeters, 3 and 5 centimeters. So let's write it down. So we're going to consider the first side A to be 4 centimeters, the second side B to be 3 and the third side C to be 5. Now in this question, since we know all 3 sides of this triangle, we don't have to worry about the height, we don't have to worry about the angles. Since we know all 3 sides, we're going to use a formula called the Heron's formula. So in the Heron's formula, we need to know first the semi-perimeter. S stands for semi-perimeter. And how do we find the semi-perimeter? By adding up all 3 sides and dividing it by 2. So let's do that first. So we're going to find the semi-perimeter. So A is the first side, 4 centimeters, plus B is 3 centimeters, plus C is 5 centimeters, and this we're going to divide it by 2. So here 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 by 2 is 6. So we have found the semi-perimeter, which is X, that is 6 centimeters. Now with the help of the semi-perimeter, which is S, we are going to find the area of the triangle by using the formula that is given here. The root of S, which is a semi-perimeter, into S minus A. A is the first side, into S minus B, which is the second side, into S minus C. So now we're going to substitute throw all these and write the values and then find the area of the triangle. So S we found out to be 6 into 6 minus A. 6 minus A is 4 into 6 minus B, and B is 3 into 6 minus C, which is 5. So we have just substituted the values here. Now let's simplify this. This becomes 6 into 2 into 6 minus 3 is 3 into 6 minus 5 is 1. Now let's just multiply all these. So when we multiply, 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 into 1 is still 36. So that is the square root of 36. So this is how we're going to find the area. Area is the square root of 36. And what is the square root of 36? 6. Because 6 into 6 is 36. So area is equal to 6 centimeter square. So this is our answer, and this is option D. Option D, 6 centimeters. This is our answer. Question 4. The altitude of an isosceles triangle is given as 4 centimeters and its base is given as 2 centimeters more than its height. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So now when we say altitude, we are talking about the height. The height of an isosceles triangle is given to us 4 centimeters. Now the base, we are told, is 2 centimeters more than the height. So if the height is 4 centimeters, the base is 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. So the base is 6 centimeters. Now that we know the base and the height, we can use the regular formula. Area of a triangle is half base into height. So here 1 by 2 into the base, and base is 6 centimeters, into the height, which is 4 centimeters. Now let's cancel. 2 3s are 6. Now multiply, 3 4s are 12. So the area of this triangle is 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square is our answer, and that is option B. So answer is option B, 12 centimeters square. Question 5. Area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle with all sides equal. So each side is 6 centimeters. So since we know all sides of this triangle, here also we can use the Heron's formula. So there are 3 sides. So we're going to consider A to be 6 centimeters, B is 6 centimeters, and C is also 6 centimeters. And what is the reason? Because they are equilateral triangle and all sides are equal. So now we have to find the semi-perimeter if you're using the Heron's formula. So the semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C. That is, A is 6 centimeters, B is 6 centimeters, and C is also 6 centimeters. Add it all up, divided by 2. 6 3s are 18. So we have 18 centimeters divided by 2, which is 9 centimeters. So the semi-perimeter is 9 centimeters. Now we can use the formula. Area of a triangle is this. So let's substitute wherever we have S. So remember, this is S semi-perimeter. So 9 into, so we write 9 first, and then 9 minus into 9 minus A, and A is 6, into 9 minus B, B is also 6, into 9 minus C, C is also 6. Now let's simplify this. 9 into 9 minus 6 is 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's multiply all these and see what we get. So 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. 81 into 3 is 243. So area of this triangle is 243. The root of that, square root of 243. Now our answer is given this way, so we have to get our answer in that form. So let's simplify this. Let's find all the factors of 243. So 243, let's find all the factors dividing by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Then we again continue. 3 2s are 6, 21, 3 7s are 21. Then we have 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So now to find the square root, we're going to put them all together here. There are 5 3s, isn't it? So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 threes. Now we need to pair them up. So here when we pair, we take out 1 3 into, we pair them up, we get one more 3. Now this one doesn't have a pair. So the ones that have a pair, 3 into 3, let's multiply. So 3 into 3 is 9. Now this one doesn't have a pair. So that will be by itself. It is still under the square root symbol. So 9 root 3, and the formula is, and the unit here is centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle, 9 root 3 centimeter square, and that is option B. Option B is given to us. That is our answer. Question 2. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10 centimeters, 24 centimeters and 26 centimeters. So we have been given all three sides, so we can use the Heron's formula here. So let's consider A to be the first side, that is 10 centimeters. B will be 24 centimeters and C will be 26 centimeters. Now let's find the semi-perimeter, and that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that is 10 plus 24 plus 26 divided by 2. So let's add all this up and see what we get. This is equal to 60. So when you divide 60 by 2, what do we get? We get 30. So the semi-perimeter is 30 centimeters. Now we can use the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. And this is the formula. So let's substitute the values here. So S is 30. Now again 30 minus A is 10. Then we have 30 minus B is 24. Then let's continue this. So we have 30 minus C, and C is 26. Now let's simplify this. 30 into 30 minus 10 is 20, into 30 minus 24 is 6, 30 minus 26 is 4. So we have to multiply all these and see what we get. So here let's take this. 30 into 20 is 600. And let's multiply these two. 6 fours are 24. So 600 into 24. So 24 into 6 is 144. And then there are two more zeros. So let's add the two zeros. So the area is the square root of 14,400. So now let's find the square root of this number. Let's do the prime factorization method. Let's get the square roots. So 14,400. Let's get all the prime factors here. So here we have 2 sevens are 14 and then 200. And then let's continue. 2 threes are 6 and then 12. 2 sixes are 12. Continue. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. Now we can move to 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Then move to 2 again. 2 fives are 10. You can even use 5. 5 tens are 50. 5 twos are 10. Go back to 2. 2 ones are 2. Now let's use all this to find the square root. Let's count all the 2's. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 2's. So let's write down the 6 2's first here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's count the 3's. We have 1, 2. We have 2 3's. So into 3 into 3. And the 5's, we have 2 5's into 5 into 5. Now we have to pair them up and take one from each pair. So here we get 2 into, take one from this pair into 2, into 1 from this pair, 2, again from 1 from this pair, 3, into, and from here 1 into 5. Now let's multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24. 24 into 5 is 120. So the area here is 120 centimeter square. So this is a final answer. Area is 120 centimeter square. Question 3. Two sides of a triangle are given to us 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. So let's take this as 6 centimeters and this as 8 centimeters. Two sides are given to us. If the height of the triangle corresponding to 6 centimeters side is 4 centimeters, okay, so the height of the triangle corresponding to this side, corresponding means starting from the opposite vertex, this is the height and this is 4 centimeters given to us, then we have to answer two questions. The first one is we have to find the area of the triangle. So what's given to us? Two sides of the triangle are given to us, 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The height of the triangle corresponding to the 6 centimeter side is given to us, that's 4 centimeters. So we can take this to be the base. Base will be 6 centimeters. So now that we have the base and we have the height, we can find the area by using this formula, half base into height. So now 1 by 2 into the base is 6 centimeters, into the height which is 4 centimeters. Cancel, 2 3s are 6, multiply, 3 4s are 12. So we have found the area. Area is 12 centimeter square. This is the first question that we have answered. Now what is the second question? So now we have to find the height of the triangle corresponding to the 8 centimeter side. And this is the 8 centimeter side. And this is the height because it comes from the opposite vertex of this side. So this is the height that we need to find. So what do we have given to us? We have the base. So this time we can take 8 centimeters as the base. Remember, you can take any side of the triangle as a base. An area which is found out to be 12 centimeters square. So now we have the base. We can find the height with the help of the formula for area. So area is half base into height. And area we know is 12 centimeters square and half. Now base is B, which is 8 centimeters. Height we don't know. We are going to find the height now. So here let's first work out what we can here. So this side we have 12 and here 1 by 2 into 8. We can cancel this. So this becomes 4. 1 into 4 is 4. So that is 4 into height. Now to find the height, we say height is equal to 12 divided by 4 because we have transposed the 4 from here to the other side, which is multiplication here. So it became division. Now 4 3s are 12. That means the height here is 3 centimeters. So this is our answer. The height is 3 centimeters. Question 4. The sides of a triangle are 16 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 20 centimeters. First we have to find the area of the triangle. So again, since all three sides have been given to us, we can use the Heron's formula to find the area. So first let's write down the sides. So let A be the first side, that is 16 centimeters. Then we have 12 centimeters and we have 20 centimeters. Now we have to find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So that is 16 plus 12 plus 20 divided by 2. Let's add this up and see what we get. 16 plus 12 is 28 plus 20 is 48. 48 by 2. So here we can cancel 2 and 4. 24. So semi-perimeter is 24 centimeters. Now let's use the Heron's formula to find the area. That is the square root, and we've put all this inside. Let's substitute with the values. So that will be S, that is 24 into 24 minus A, which is 16. 24 minus B, which is 12, and 24 minus C, which is 20. So let's simplify this further and see what we get. 24 into 24 minus 16 is 8, into 24 minus 12 is 12, into 24 minus 20 is 4. Now let's multiply. 24 into 8 is 192. 12 fours are 48. Let's multiply these two. 192. So let's multiply these two. 12 fours are 48. So when you multiply, you get 9,216. So let's write that. So 9,216. Now let's find all the factors. So 9,216. Let's divide this by 2. 2 fours are 8. We have 12. 2 6 are 12. We have 1, so 0 and 16. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Continue. 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2, so there's 1 left. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, 15, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 17, 2 8s are 16, again 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, again we have 4. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 into 18 is 36. 2 9s are 18. Now we can bring in 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. So let's write down all the factors. Let's count how many 2's there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 there and we have a pair of 3's here. So here itself we can pair them up. So when we pair it up, we can take out from here 1, 2. Here we can take out another 1. From this pair another 1. This pair 1 more. This pair and this pair. Now let's write down all those numbers here. So there we have, this is 3 here. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 2. So let's write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have a 3. Now let's multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. 32 into 3. 32 into 3 is 96. So we have found the area of the triangle and that is 96 centimeter square. So we have done the first part and that is 96 centimeters square. Now the sides of the triangle are given. Now we have to find in question 2 the height of the triangle corresponding to the largest side. So what we'll do is we'll take this as the largest side and the largest measurement is 20 centimeters. So let's keep all the other measurements as it is 16 centimeters and 12 centimeters. So I hope you have understood. Sides of a triangle are already given to us. It's already given. Now we have to find the height corresponding to the largest side. So this is the largest side and the height corresponding to that will start from the opposite vertex. So this is what we need to find out. We have to find the height of the largest side. So you can take any side to be the base. So in this case, we'll take 20 centimeters to be the base. So base is 20 centimeters and the area we just found out to be 96 centimeters square. Now with the help of the area formula, we can find the height. So what is the area formula? Half into base into height. And the area we know is 96. Then half into base. Base we know is 20. Height we are going to find and the height is what we have written as h. So h is equal to, now before that let's cancel. Here we can cancel 2 and 20. 2 tens are 20. So here what do we have? 96 is the area. 1 into 10 is 10. 10 into the height. So now to find the height we just have to say 96 divided by 10 because we are transposing this 10 to the other side, so it becomes division. 96 divided by 10 is 9.6. So we have found the height of the triangle corresponding to the largest side and that is 9.6 centimeters. So this is our answer corresponding to the largest side, 9.6 centimeters. Now the third question is we have to find the height of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side. So this we said was 16 centimeters and this is 20 centimeters and this is 12 centimeters. So which is the smallest side? 12 centimeters. So we have to find this height. So corresponding means from the opposite vertex. So this is what we need to find. So let's see what's given to us. Now we can take this time the base to be 12 centimeters. Area we know is 96 centimeter square. Now to find the height with the help of the formula for area we can find the height. So area is half into base into height. Area is 96 centimeters square. Half base is this time 12 centimeters and height is what we are going to find out. Now let's cancel. 2 6s are 12. So 96 is equal to 1 into 6 is 6 into height. So the height will now be equal to 96 divided by 6. And here we can divide this. 6 ones are 6, and then we have 3 36. 6 6 are 36. So this is 16. So the height is 16 centimeters. We have found the height of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side, and that is 16 centimeters. So this is the side that we have found, the height, that is 16 centimeters. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.